Changing the hotspot password on your Samsung Galaxy phone might seem like something you don't need to do often, but if you want to secure your network or have simply forgotten the current password, don't worry. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to easily change the Wi-Fi hotspot password on your phone, giving you greater control and security. Follow me to learn all the necessary steps for quickly updating your password. Here's how to do it. First, locate the settings on your phone and open it. Once you're in the settings menu, the next step is to find the connections option and tap on it. On the connection settings page, you'll see several options. Look for mobile hotspot and tethering and tap on it. In this section, you'll see several options, including mobile hotspot. Tap on it to open it. Once you've done that, enable the hotspot by tapping the toggle switch. Then find the password section and tap on it. Now delete the old password and enter a new one. When you're done, tap Save to apply the changes. After doing this, the new password for your hotspot will be automatically saved, and all devices previously connected will need to re-enter the new password to reconnect. This way, you'll have greater control over who can access your network and enhance your data security. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.